Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and I have been getting some requests for homeschool with me by subject, so that's what we're going to do today. Today we are doing language arts. So we use the good and the beautiful language arts, and that's what I'm going to show you what we're doing today. So the first thing my son is going to do is his 20-minute reading. Normally they have books that they recommend, but because it's Thanksgiving week, I have a Thanksgiving book that he's going to be reading. So he's going to be doing his 20 minutes while I do preschool with my 3-year-old. And then we're going to move on from there. So this is how I schedule his school. So I created this template on my PowerPoint. It's just easier for me to separate the subjects in the boxes. And so we do our morning time, our math, and we do this in whatever order the day comes. So like today we did morning time first, and then we did Bible. And because morning time took a little longer because of the schedule of the morning, we didn't do all the extra things, which we can move over here to fun playtime and things like that. After school, when the kids have nothing else to do, we can go back and do these crafts and stuff. As well as the electives. Well, not all the electives. Science we will do. I just forgot to type it out. But today we're focusing on language arts. We're going to be doing spelling, typing, challenging words, 35 minutes in the course book, and read for 20 minutes. So when you see these 2 lines here, just 2 things he can do by himself while I work with my 3-year-old. If you're interested in seeing what I do with my 3-year-old, you can check out that video. I will link it. So Aaron sets his timer for 20 minutes each day, and he reads. And this week's Thanksgiving, so can you show everyone what you're reading? Let's zoom in here. What was the first Thanksgiving? And he's learning a lot. He keeps coming to me with things. Do you like it? Is it interesting? Good. Aaron just finished his reading, and he also did his typing. And now we're moving on to spelling. Down here in our language arts spin, we have to take out today we're just going to take out his course book. So he is doing level 3 course book, and we are on sentence diagramming, the last day of that. And we are also going to be doing, let's see. Okay, we're going to do probably 2 lessons today. We'll probably do lesson 35, which is the U and I sound, because he's going to breeze through these words. I already know it. And then we're going to do lesson 36, which is independent and dependent clauses. But first, spelling. So for spelling, with the good and the beautiful, there's a course companion. So in the course companion, you have charts. And he's supposed to color these. When he's done the words, and when he's done learning them, he colors the picture next to it. Okay, so with the good and the beautiful, the first thing you do for spelling is you determine 5 to 7 words that your child doesn't know how to spell. So I will verbally just go through the words and have him just spell them verbally for me. And then I'll check them off. And then if there's words that he doesn't know, I underline them or put a mark next to it. And I would pick 5 to 7 words, and that'll be his list for the week. And we work on these. We work on it for 4 days because we only homeschool for 4 days. Excuse my dog barking in the background. And the first day, they have to write sentences. So you start the child writing sentences in a notebook using the spelling word. So that's the first thing that he's going to do today after we select our words. And then during the week, there's different activities in here that you can do for your spelling words, such as... So here are some active spelling practice ideas. Have them write them on an index card. You can make flashcards. They can spell the words out loud. There's a whole bunch of different activities here. And so what we did was we made a spelling box that goes in his drawer. Okay, so in this box we have alphabet he can use for his words. We have a lot of stamps. We have letters. These are letter stamps in here. Hold on, Evelyn. These are dice. And then we also have these cards that you scratch the words on here. And then I printed out these cards that has more activities that I got online on Pinterest somewhere. And then at the end of the week on our Fridays, we'll have a spelling test. So on Friday we did a verbal spelling quiz, but I like for him to have it written down so I can know if he really knows the words or not. Aaron likes for me to grade his quizzes, right? So close your eyes. And let's get a gray marker because it's the only one here. Right.
Why does it always have to be red?
Teachers in school use red. Okay, open your eyes. Good job, buddy. So now we have to get some new words and see. You like a lot of pluses at the end of your A's? Yeah. To the word. It's W-H-E-T-H-E-R. How about whole? He's got the whole world in his hands.
Like W-H-O-L-E
yes.
Or H-O-L-E?
First one. Afraid.
A-F-R-A-I-D.
Enough. Watch.
W-A-T-C-H.
Wear. I want to wear my shirt today.
W-E-A-R.
Letter.
L-E-T-T-E-R.
Money.
M-O-N-E-Y.
Grandmother.
G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R.
Okay, we finally have our spelling list, and I'm gonna write them here. Make him a little word bank, and then he's gonna write sentences. We're only gonna do 5. That way you have a chance to do your 5 sentences quickly, okay? All right, so here's his little word bank.
Mom, you
Those
did
are his
it
spelling
again.
words.
You did 1, 2, 3, 5.
Ay, 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 ay. All right, now write your sentences.
8.
So next is challenging words. And we have these challenging words here that he has to read through, and we just keep practicing them until he gets them. Okay, go.
Gypsy, symbolic, heirloom, hypocrite, hydrogen, analysis, physician,
Physician.
physician.
Again, go.
Hydrogen, analysis, hypocrite, analysis, symbolic, analysis, physician,
Analysis. Okay, challenging words. Yes, dear. Check. Last for language arts is 35 minutes in your course book. So my dear boy, you must diagram these sentences. So we're doing sentence diagramming with direct objects, where the direct object is implied because this is a command. Open the heavy door slowly. The implied subject is who? Open the heavy door slowly.
You.
That's right, you. So we put the you in parentheses. So because of time, we are only going to do the sentence diagramming today and call it a day because it's taking him quite some time for this, which is fine. That's okay. You take as much time as you need, and then we have to jump into math and see if we can fit in science, but it's getting kind of late in the day, so we might have to call it quits after math, and we'll have to do, or we'll do math at co-op tomorrow, and we'll figure it out. But that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Do a lesson with me in language arts. The next do a lesson with me will probably be our math program, and that'll be here next week Friday. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.